Emva kwesibhengezo sombutho wehlabathi wezempilo iWHO sokuba isixeko saseKapa siza kuba indawo yokuqala apho kuza kusekwa khona iziko lokwenz'amachiza ogonyo kusetyenzisw'ubuchwepheshe, seqalisile amalungiselelo oku. Igqiza le-WHO elikhokela iphulo lithi ukusekela iziko akuzukuba nzima kakhulu kodwa kufuneka kulandelwe imigaqo eyiyo.
When AFRIGEN sets up the technology, that it is free to set this technology up, that it is free to transfer that to other manufacturers, but that then those manufacturers are bound to provide the vaccine that they produce, first of all to their country and then to their regions, at a price that is affordable to their country and to their neighbours.
Ngaphandle kokudibana namacandelo eAFRIGEN ne-BioVac, Igqiza likwafuna kwenziwa iziqinisekiso ngabezopolitiko zokuxhasa eliziko.
So how are we going to build the market shaping so that the vaccines that are produced in Africa can be procured in Africa? And how are we going to do this in a sustainable way, such that when the government changes, which governments always do, that the next government is also prepared to pay a higher price for the locally produced product and doesn't say, oh, let's close that down, let's buy it from India, it's cheaper.
We don't see a risk of infringing patents by doing mRNA vaccines in South Africa and in all of Africa, as a matter of fact. Other risk would be the choice of a technology. We would have loved, frankly, that Moderna or BioNTech have knocked on the door and say, you know, this is a great project, we will give you the technology for Africa. But this has not happened.
Igqiza le-WHO liza kube liseKapa de kube ngomso kwaye liza kudibana namagosa ezinkampani ezimbini kwiiveki ezimbalwa ezizayo. Kulindeleke ukuba kuthwe thaca izicwangciso ezithe vetshe ngeli ziko.